Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and today I'm going to be doing a review slash presentation video on this Expert Grill 4-burner with side burner propane gas grill in stainless steel. We're going to try to get through all these outside neighbor noises again in this video, okay? It's coming up right now. Once again, thank you for being here. I really appreciate all your support, and I really love to do these review videos. So they do well on the channel too, which is nice. A year ago, I did a review on a similar grill. This was from Expert Grill. It was a gas grill. The video's done wonderful. So many people appreciated the video. They went out, they purchased the grill, and I was really excited to get invited to do another one this year. Actually, I'm doing a couple. This is the 4-burner stainless steel gas grill with side burner from Expert Grill. It's currently available at Walmart. Price at the time of this video is $297. That's an exceptional value, and I'm going to show you why as we go through all these different features here. Just a side note, the grill that I reviewed last year, the similar grill, as I do with most review video grills, I gave it away to a veteran. And it was somebody who I know on Facebook when I posted it and said, hey, I want to give this away. And one of my Facebook friends reached out to me and said, well, my dad is a retired vet and I'd love to give this to him. So anyway, I provided them with the grill, and I followed up before I decided to do this video. I followed up with her, Kate. Thank you very much for responding to me, to see how that grill performed over the last year since they've had it. And they love it. They use it a lot. I'll post something here, a screenshot of the message that I sent her and the return message. So I feel really good about this brand, and I feel really good about the value that it gives you. Now, without any further ado, let's get into this. I want to start with the assembly process. This grill came in, I unboxed it and started to assemble it, and I noticed there were some things. Now, it didn't go perfect, but it went really, really well. One of the things I like that they do is that there's this sort of tongue and groove system where you just have, there's screws that are already mounted in the parts that you loosen up, and then you slide parts into place and tighten the screws. So it makes it very, very easy for assembly. It does save you some time. There was one screw that I had a hard time loosening, but I did get it loosened. It was kind of stuck, and that was a couple-minute process, but that was really the only snafu that I had during assembly. Other than that, it went great, and I think it went together quicker than last year's model because of that new design with the assembly. Now, for the outside of this grill, you can see everything is stainless steel. This whole grill is basically stainless steel. We have a nice temperature gauge here on the lid, and this grill is going to look really nice in your yard. That's one thing I want to say, is that this looks and presents like a much more expensive grill, and it feels that way too in many, many ways. There are tool hangers here on the side of the grill, which are very, very useful for cooks. We have a side shelf, and of course, this here is your side burner. Cover comes up. Burners here. This here is your control for the side burner, and then you have 4 burner controls individual right here. To ignite, you're simply just going to push in and turn. And let's take a look under the hood. There is 462 square inches of cook space here on the main cook grate, and when you combine the lower grate and the warm grate, you've got 626 square inches of total cook space. These grates are very heavy. They're made of stainless steel. They are a nice thick gauge steel, and they feel to be very, very high quality. Underneath the grates, you have 4 stainless steel burners with burner covers, and those burners have a 5-year warranty. Everything about the grill feels nice and well built. No, it's not the heavy, heavy metal or steel that you're going to find like in a grill that's 2 or 3 times the price, but for what you're paying, you're getting a very nice, solid, well-built grill with nice materials. There's 4 casters underneath, and they work fine. I mean, I've rolled this thing around here many, many times already trying to get this video done, and we had weather issues, and they've worked fine. As a matter of fact, I know I have yet to find a grill that the wheels don't work good on or that are not good enough quality, but these do a fine job. Inside the burner area here, you have a stainless steel firebox. Again, something that's built to last a long time. And there's a cleaning system built in. There's a square area down there, and the way that that firebox is built, grease is designed to funnel into that area, drip down into a drip tray that you can access from the front or the rear. Now, one thing again that I talked about last year with this same or similar model grill is that the back of this grill is wide open. I'm not sure if some companies do that as a safety thing or if it's a money saving thing, but I haven't had any issues in terms of when I've tested this to light it with wind blowing out the burners. I would think that with that back being open, you know, some people may have issues if you live in a really windy area, so you may have to place this in a spot where wind won't be an issue going into the back. There are 2 doors here. The propane tank mounts inside of there, and there is a tightening mechanism to keep that from moving if you do have to roll this around your porch or your patio. And I just want to emphasize again the cleaning system. I'm really big on that. I like to make sure that whatever it is you're purchasing has the ability to be maintained, to be cleaned out properly to prevent grease fires. And this is another one of those that has that system in place. So if you keep this clean, it should be a safe operating cooker. That basically covers everything. Now, as in all my review videos, there's only one thing left to do. I'm gonna go ahead and cook some lunch here for my family and I, and then I'll come back at the end and just do a summary and wrap this video up. So stay tuned for some beautiful, delicious B-roll. All right, lunch was great, just like I expected it to be. I started by lighting this grill and turning it on high and just letting it burn without any food on it for about 20 minutes. It's a great way with a new grill just to burn off any residual manufacturer oils that might be there. And it's not always necessary, but I like to do it. During that process, I got this thing up to 600 degrees. So you know you can sear some really good steaks on here if you want to. The center area of the cooker ran slightly cooler than the left and the right side, but it's to be expected. Every gas grill has warmer and cooler spots, and it's nothing that you really need to concern yourself with because it was pretty minimal. So wrapping this thing up for $297, which is what it's priced at right now. You can get this at Walmart. I would definitely say it's worth the money. And I love bringing products like this to my channel because not everybody is going to be able to go out and buy a $4,000 or $5,000 grill or a $1,000 grill. This is a great cooker for the everyday person that just wants to have a really nice cooker in their yard to look nice, last long, and do a great job with some cooks. And I want to thank you again for hanging out with me today. I truly appreciate it. Thank you to Kate for responding to my message. I hope your dad continues to enjoy that grill. I'll be giving this one away to somebody here real soon. And that's it for this video. So take care till next time. I will see you on the next episode.